Creating a sales order in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations is essential for managing customer orders and tracking sales. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Dynamics 365. Access your Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations account. Navigate to Sales Orders. Go to the Modules section and select Sales and Marketing. From there, click on Sales Orders and then choose All Sales Orders. Create a new sales order. Click on the New button to initiate a new sales order. This opens a blank order form. Enter customer information. In the sales order form, fill in the customer account field with the appropriate customer details. If the customer is not in the system, you can add a new record. Add order lines. In the order line section, click on Add line to enter product details. Specify the item number, quantity, and unit price. You can also include any discounts or adjustments as necessary. Review and confirm. After entering all required information, review the sales order for accuracy. Make sure all line items and totals are correct. Confirm the sales order. Click Confirm to finalize the sales order. This action typically generates an order confirmation that can be sent to the customer. Print or email order confirmation. Optionally, you can print or email the order confirmation directly from the system.